Hi children, in this exercise, we use an apostrophe to shorten the word am. So am. When we put apostrophe, we'll put an apostrophe and use only the am. Am. Isn't it? So only in the writing we say that this is am. When you put apostrophe, am is not strong, but you must remember in the writing, put an apostrophe and I am. Okay? Now, I hope you'll enjoy this exercise of using an apostrophe to shorten the word am. Let's look at our first sentence. It's very enjoyable. Read the first one aloud. Second one, it'll be a little soft, the second word, but in the writing, be careful. Look, what does he say? I am a doctor. The word am is what we are going to use apostrophe, okay? I am a doctor. Now when we put apostrophe, the A is missing. I am a doctor. You read it as I'm a doctor. Read it again with me. I am a doctor. I'm a doctor. You get it cleared? When you write, no A, only instead of A, apostrophe is there. I am a doctor. I'm a doctor. The first letter is always capital and there is full stop at the end. And we are looking today at putting an apostrophe, shortening am, apostrophe instead of A. Okay? Good. I am a doctor. I'm a doctor. Let's look at our next sentence. Look. What does she say? I am a dancer. I am a dancer. Let's shorten am. Am. She says, I am a dancer. When we put apostrophe, she will say am a dancer. I'm. Get that clear? I am a dancer. I'm a dancer. Got it? Good. Next sentence. Let's look at. Remember, in all these sentences, begin with the cap letter, ends with the full stop, but we are looking clearly at shortening am, putting an apostrophe in the place of A and reading the I and the am together. What does she say? She says, I am a girl. I am a girl. When we shorten am, she will say, I'm a girl. I'm a girl. I am a girl. I'm a girl. Okay? Good. Let's go on to our next picture. Look. What does he say? I am a boy. I am a boy. Cap letter, full stop. We're going to shorten am by putting an apostrophe, taking away A and put M. Okay? Now, what does he say? I am a boy. Next sentence, what will he say? I'm a boy. I'm a boy. Let's go on to our next sentence. Look at this lovely little animal. You like deers? Good. I am a deer, says the little deer. I am a deer. Cap letter, I, full stop. You're going to change am by putting an apostrophe, taking away A. I am a deer becomes I'm a deer. I'm a deer. Read this. I am a deer becomes I'm a deer. I'm a deer when you put an apostrophe for am. Good. Shall we go on to our next picture? He says, I am a dog. What does he say? I am a dog. Capital letter, full stop. We're going to change am by removing A and putting an apostrophe. Let's read this now. I'm a dog. I am a dog becomes I'm a dog. Yes? Good. Let's take another picture. Look at this lovely cat. You like cat as your pet? Good. She says, I am a cat. I am a cat. Capital letter ends with the full stop. We're going to change by putting an apostrophe. Am, removing a, putting apostrophe and m. I am a cat. Now it will read as I'm a cat. I am a cat. After putting the apostrophe, you will read it as I'm a cat. Good. Let's look at our next sentence. The little ant says, I am an ant. I capital ends with the full stop. We're changing am by putting an apostrophe, removing a, put an apostrophe and m. Let's read this. I am an ant. Now you will read it as I'm an ant. I am an ant is read as I'm an ant. Remember, this is in the writing. Got to be careful when you're doing the writing in your book. Let's go to our next picture. The donkey says, I am a donkey. I capital end with the full stop. I am a donkey. Now am we are shortening, removing a and putting an apostrophe. So now you will read it as I am a donkey. I am a donkey. Now after putting apostrophe, you will read it as I am a donkey. I am a donkey. I am a donkey. Let's take our next picture. I am a bear. He says, I am a bear. Capital letter ends with the full stop. Am. Let's shorten am by taking away a. We'll put an apostrophe m. Now it will read as am a bear. I am a bear. Now after the apostrophe, you will read it as I'm a bear. Good. Let's look at our next sentence. It says, I am an elephant. I am an elephant. Begin with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. We're going to change am by putting an apostrophe for a and m. Now you will read it as I am an elephant. I am an elephant. You will now read after the apostrophe as I am an elephant. Let's go on to another picture. What animal is this? Yak. You find in the mountainside full of fur. I am a yak. I am a yak. Cap letter, full stop. Let's change am, shorten am by taking away a and putting an apostrophe and m. Now it will read as am a yak. I am a yak. You will now read it as I'm a yak. I'm a yak.